Excuse me, pardon me. Look out, coming through. Look out. Whoa, this place is smell-o-rama. Hallelujah, I've died and gone to Kentucky.
Wish I could have made it.
We wish you could have been there.
Hey, you. Congratulations.
Thanks.
I don't know how to thank you enough for what you're doing.
Oh, are you kidding? The more the merrier. I just have to take that one short trip that I told you about.
You're going away?
Oh, Peter, I help drive the horses to winter grazing every year. Just for a couple of days.
Well, who's going to take care of Shadow? And
Oh, my neighbor Frank. He always watches the animals while I'm gone. And don't worry, he's very trustworthy. Do you have a minute to come in?
I wish we could, but we've got a long way to go.
come on, Shadow.
Chance, come here, boy, Chance. This is Miss Kate, Sassy. She's a nice lady, and she'll take good care of you. Won't you?
Yes, ma'am.
Chance, come here, boy, Chance. Hey, give me that frisbee. Be a good boy, Chance.
How far can you throw that frisbee?
Pretty far.
Can you throw as far as that field over there?
Maybe you better do it.
Hey, 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 hey. Oh, now look what you did. You let it escape. Don't worry, I'll wrestle it to the ground and I'll chew it up so good it'll never fly away again.
Hope he doesn't forgive me.
Okay.
I'm going to miss you so much.
I know you're sad. I wish I knew why.
Well, we'll be back to visit next week, okay? I promise.
What's wrong?
Peter, it's time.
Don't worry, Peter. I'm here to protect you.
Be a good dog. Stay.
Stay?
Hope, where are you going?
Say bye, Hope. Bye-bye. All right. Easy on the fur coat.
I got it. It was crafty, all right, but Jamie?
Peter. Wait. Stay.
Oh, no. Not this.
Shadow? Chance? Come on, fellas.